idea here is that, I'm in the airport, run into a plane, and currently, if I wanted to grab a magazine, I gotta go stand in line, I gotta go bookstore, that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
You don't need the store for this. Really, you just need me and you and the tablet. We're done. So, normal traditional browsing experience. I come in and look. Do I really want to read Oprah magazine today? Maybe I do. I personally don't, but
as table contents.
Yeah. And so, and obviously, we built this out to a certain level of degree, but that should allow you to access into the articles and all the things that a normal piece of software would do. But, let's say, oh, hey, I want to read about, National Geographic. Well, I've got my e-reader that I'm working here on my tablet, and I've already got, Esquire and Time, and I really want to read this while I'm on the plane. Now, you see that it's not me, but I'm logged in as the owner of this laptop, Rick Barraza, who's our architect who actually built this thing. So the table is in the airport. It doesn't know who anybody is. It's just serving up content. This thing knows I'm me. So as I come in and I set the e-reader down on the table recognizes the tablet and my identity, because just like, we all carry our cell phones. First thing we just pick up in the morning and grab our cell phone. My device represents me to the system. So now that the pieces are connected, this goes into allow Rick to purchase mode. He has 10 credits. This goes into shopping cart mode right away, because obviously that's what you're going to want to do. And so as I can grab this, I can flick him over onto the tablet, and he flicked right there, I guess, and he just shows up on the tablet in real time. Because we're doing the object tracking, we can do it a lot. Actually, I'll pick a different one just so you see it's really working. Because we know the XY positioning, you see that it's actually the same object. They know each other, and the devices are so connected that we can. It doesn't do anything for the software, because really when I do the flick, that's what does the purchase. But to the user, it reinforces the fact that these machines are connected and actively talking to each other. And I can flick it on this one flick purchase. There we go. And buy it. It's done. And when I'm done, I pick up my ebook and walk away. I'm running to my airplane. This no longer sees me. I'm off the system now. It logs itself back, goes back into kiosk mode, and I'm on the airplane, reading my magazine, just going through normal, the normal thing. The beauty is that we're taking away a lot of the way we look at software through Cynergy is that you start with the capabilities. I have a library, I have this media browser, but how do we make it easiest for the users to do what they're trying to do? I, as a user, all I want to do is get that magazine onto my e-reader. What is the shortest path to do that? I want to just drag it on like I would a physical object.
So what do you think the timeline is before something like this becomes more common? That gets out of the demo room and into...
It's fully functioning software now. It's really companies choosing to do it.